Welcome to besttolearnspanish.com. Today's topic is talk about your country. Learn how to talk about your country in Spanish. Let's get started. Well, the first question is, where are you from? When somebody asks you this question, they generally want to know what country you are from. So, let's read an example. ¿De dónde eres? Yo soy de Estados Unidos. ¿Y tú? Yo soy de Canadá. Another essential question is, ¿dónde vives? You have four possible answers to this question. The first one is your country. Yo vivo en México. The second one is your state or province. Yo vivo en Quintana Roo. The third one is your city. For example, yo vivo en Cancún. And the last one, your neighborhood. For example, yo vivo en el centro. All these answers answer the question, where do you live? Probably you are thinking, so how do I know what they want to know? Well, put the context. Let's see an example. In this example, these three people work in the same place, so they currently live in the same country, state, and city. So the question, where do you live, is more likely directed to where in the city you live. Let's see the example. ¿Dónde vives? Yo vivo en el centro. ¿Y tú? ¿En serio? Yo también. Another question is, ¿qué colores tiene la bandera de tu país? For example, verde, blanco y rojo. ¿Cuántos estados tiene tu país? México tiene 32 estados. This is a popular question. ¿Cuál es el idioma oficial de tu país? Español. And why not? We love food. ¿Cuál es tu comida favorita? Los tacos. The weather is different from country to country. Sometimes you cannot even imagine. So, ¿cómo es el clima en tu país? El clima es cálido. And the last one. ¿Cuántos habitantes hay en tu país? Hay 127 millones. What other questions have you been asked about your country? Write it in comments. And remember, more videos coming soon. Hasta pronto!